Today I will make a chapati. Here I have flour, oil, rolling, big ball, cutting board, salt, and water. Now, let's see how to do it. First, we put the flour in the big bowl. And we put some water. Then, we stir it up. It's like playing slime. First, put 1 spoon of oil. Pinch of salt also. It's too wet. I need to put some flour again. It's almost done. It's done. But we need to wait until 10 minutes. I rub my hand with oil. Then I play this thing for a while. I make a small ball and my brother join me.
Hi, brother. What are you doing?
It's time for rolling. I put a flour in this cutting. Ayang boleh. Ya tunggu nak emang kan gini. You want to try also? Slowly, slowly. Balik. Stop first. Stop. Yeah. Slowly.